Hi everyone, it's Kathy. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm back with another reveal video, and today I'll be revealing the new 4x6 clear stamp set called Fish Fancy. And it is loaded with 10 fancy fish, and then there are 5 little bubble stamps. The stamps measure anywhere from 3/4 of an inch by 3/4 of an inch to the largest one, which is 2 inches by 2¼ inches. I do have a couple of samples to share with you. For my first sample, it's pretty simple, and for the background, I actually used the new speckled star stencil. The sentiment is from the Best Fishes Sentiments stamp set. For my second card, I used the new Slimline Under the Sea patterned paper, which made that card very easy to put together. And for my third sample, I used this Slimline Swiss Dots die, and then I also incorporated the Wavelengths embossing folder. And again, that sentiment is also from the Best Fishes Sentiment stamp set. And that wraps up this reveal video. For more information, I'll have that linked in the description box below for you. For more inspiration, make sure you head on over to the Whimsy Stamps blog. We'd love to have you follow us over on Instagram and join our Facebook group. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, we'd love it if you would. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time a new video is posted. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.